As we celebrate the International Day for the Teachers, I want to, on behalf of Ghana Education Service, extend our warmest, sincerest appreciation and gratitude to our teachers across length and breadth of this country. Our teachers have actually proven that they would always be there for Ghana's education. Indeed, if you look at what we do at Ghana Education Service as implementers of Ghana's education policies, our teachers are playing a significant role in this enterprise. The learners across the length and breadth of this country have been receiving care, compassion, and education from these teachers in our country. Ghana's teachers indeed have always proven all over the world to be the best. And today, I want to lead the entire management of Ghana Education Service to salute all teachers across the country.
We don't need a single day to thank teachers for the work that they do. But it is particularly important that on this day, we appreciate the work of our teachers and we appreciate the sacrifices they make in building our nation.
The nation Ghana has assigned a critical duty to Ghana Education Service to produce individuals with the requisite skills, knowledge, competence, and the values so that they can meaningfully contribute to the national development. Management is therefore grateful to teachers for the critical role they've played in the success story of the service.
Teachers in Ghana and around the world make the world go round. They provide us with all of the preparations that we need in order to face the challenges of the future. They do that every day in our classrooms and outside of our classrooms.
This is an awesome day, a memorable day for our dear teachers of this land. You go the extra mile to turn dull students to happy, responsible children.
We teachers remember our commitment to learners. To us, teaching is not just a job, but a lifestyle. We teach to touch the future. Our commitment will forever be in the minds of our learners.
I want to take this opportunity to salute and congratulate all teachers in Ghana, especially those who recognize the need to pay particular attention to learners with special educational needs and disabilities.
Teacher is the agent of change, and GES is happy to celebrate all teachers on this special occasion. We pray to the Almighty God for His continuous support and protection for all our teachers.
I want to take this opportunity to congratulate teachers on the hard work they are doing out there, especially supporting our girls and their brothers as well. Teachers, I equal to you all.
I urge you all to continue doing what you do best so that together we can transform our country through education. Aiko.
Your hard work, dedication and passion for teaching are truly appreciated. Thank you.
Ghana jukwinchuo ke nyechumi maune ejo nyechumi papa.
Ya my teacher for na ayiko muni ejumapa nyamisha.
Egbani ejijogbe na mi plus sukuvio ba akpena mi awe wodo.
Ayiko to all our gallant teachers for all that you do for this country. Indeed, all professions can boast, but the teacher taught them all. I wish you a happy World Teachers Day.
We're live in 3, 2, 1.
What's the announcement again?
Airtel Tigo is now 18.
Okay.
We go live in 3, 2, 1.
It's CFO. Airtel Tigo is now 80.
It's Airtel Tigo.
Ah, it's okay. Say, see, no simple cra. It's now 80. Tell a neighbor to tell a neighbor that your favorite telecommunications network, Airtel Tigo, is now 80. Simple. New name, same affordable and reliable internet, clear calls, secure money services, and much more.
AT. Life is simple.
Ohima, what will you take your number first? By you. You have to say take your number, give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really? Okay, I come.
Shut up!
Mame, feel me tank mama wati. Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Raw 95.
Fuel up with Super XP Raw 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh, cut him. Hey, go for mommy.
Choose Super XP Raw 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Raw 95. Goyle, good energy.
Goyle is good energy.
Pepsodent is aware that globally, 1 in 2 children suffer from cavities. That's why by giving her Pepsodent, you're not only protecting her teeth, but also helping her grow up and thrive at every stage of her life with a healthy and confident smile, so she can succeed and achieve all of her dreams. Because every smile matters.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here?
Get Mekakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mekakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet say ever born Dutch. 5 this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year. Make up drama.
You are welcome to the prelim stage of the 2023 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. This is contest number 28 at the prelim stage. And in this contest, we have Kpando Senior High School, Gyamfi Senior High School, and Odorgonno Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Kpando Senior High School is represented by
Agbofa Stephen, Chigbe Elikplim Fidelis.
Kpando Senior High School, remember last year you lost your competition at the prelim stage to Adventist Senior High School. How has the preparation towards this year's competition been from the regional stages? How did the regionals also go for you?
Last year, we remember very well that our seniors lost their competition to Adventist SHS, and it was It taught us a lesson that we should rather do better than them. So we did our best. Our teachers also supported us by teaching us very well. The regional qualifiers went on pretty well. We met Anglo, Awomefia SHS, and then Leclerc SHS at the regional qualifier stage. By God's grace, we were able to win that contest. From there, we proceeded to the quarterfinals of the Volta Regional Championship. That was a very tough competition because of how everything went. But then, by God's grace, once again, we were able to proceed to the semifinals. And unfortunately, we lost to Keta School. And we are here on this stage hoping that the good Lord who has been with us through our difficult times will see us through this contest.
Okay, best wishes, Kpando Senior High School. Gyamfi Senior High School is represented by
Anno Prince, Bidiku Godwin Yao,
Gyamfi Senior High School. How about you? How did your original qualifiers go, and how have been preparations towards the national championship?
Okay, so it was not all that easy, but the good Lord have sailed us through. So we are here to test our minds, and all what will happen will be determined by the Almighty God.
Best wishes to Gyamfi Senior High School. And finally, we have Odorgonno Senior High School. They are represented by
Brown David Henry,
Akoli Sedem Philip.
Okay. Odorgonno Senior High School, they went to the 1/8 stage of the competition last year, but that was where the journey ended for them. How has the preparations been towards this year's competition? And also, how did your original qualifiers and championship go?
All we can say is the grace of the Lord brought us here.
What should we expect from you?
Acta, non-verbal, which means action, not words.
Best wishes to Odorgonno Senior High School. They are gentlemen of few words, so we'll go with factor, non-verbal. Best wishes to all the competing schools. Some rules of engagement. We'll have this contest in 5 rounds. We'll begin in round 1, obviously. And here I would ask you questions that will test your knowledge of principles in physics, mathematics, biology, and chemistry. If a question comes to your school as a main question, you have 30 seconds to give an answer if it involves calculations. If there are no calculations, I'll take your answer in 10 seconds. If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You forfeit that question to another school, and the first out of your 2 competing schools who rings the bell can answer for 1 point if they get it correct, and a penalty point of 1 if their answer is incorrect. If you are ready to answer a bonus question, or you believe that the answer a school is given for their main question is incorrect, and so you want to take it as a bonus question, just be patient, wait till I've ruled on the question, or the school has been bailed out, then you can ring your bell and take on that bonus, okay? So don't just ring your bell to disrupt the contest, even when they are speaking or haven't ruled it on it. We want to have a really smooth competition. Okay. In this round, I'll begin with Kpando Senior High School. The contest begins with a preamble to all the schools. Find the first term A and the common ratio R of an exponential sequence if first 3 consecutive terms are Kpando Senior High School, x minus 2. That's term 1. X plus 3, term 2, and x plus 7. Yes.
The first term is square root of 13, that's minus 2. The second term is square root of 13, that's plus 3. And the common difference is root 13 minus 2.
No. Odorgonno can take it for a bonus.
We have the first term to be negative 25 and the common difference to be 4 on 5.
That's correct. So the first term and the common ratio. Edu Gyamfi, x plus 9, x plus 3, x minus 1.
We have the first term to be equal to 18 and the common ratio to be equal to 11 on 21.
2 out of 3. Odorgonno, x minus 3, x plus 1, x plus 13. Yes, Philip.
We have our first term to be 2 and the common ratio to be 3.
That's correct. Edu Gyamfi, your first term was correct, 18, but the common ratio was 2 on 3. Another preamble. Indicate the number of sigma and pi bonds present in the resonance forms of the given molecule. Indicate the number of sigma and pi bonds present in the resonance forms of the given molecule. Kpando Shs, nitrate ion. Yes, Fidelis.
So the number of sigma bonds are 3, and the number of pi bonds are 2.
2 out of 3. Edu Gyamfi, ozone or ozone.
Two sigma bonds and 1 pi bond.
Yes, that's correct. Odorgonno, sulfur trioxide. Yes.
We have 3 sigma bond and 3 pi bond.
That's correct. Another preamble. Indicate the type of vascular bundle in plants to which the following description refer. The type of vascular bundle. Kpando Shs, a vascular bundle in which the phlegm is situated on the peripheral and inner side of the xylem.
The egg sac.
No, a bonus. Edu Gyamfi.
Radia.
No. Your own question. Edu Gyamfi. A vascular bundle in which one type of vascular tissue surrounds the other.
Conjoint.
No. A bonus. Odorgonno, a vascular bundle in which xylem encircles the central strand of phlegm.
Concentric.
No. A bonus. Okay. So Kpando bicollateral bundle. Here the phlegm is situated at the periphery and inner side of the xylem. Edu Gyamfi, concentric. The vascular bundle in which one type of vascular tissue surrounds another. And then Odorgonno, leptocentric bundle or amphivasal bundle. Find the magnitude, this is a preamble. Find the magnitude of the resultant of F1 and F2, given that the magnitude of the resultant. Kpando, F1 equals 2I minus 4J newtons, and F2 equals 2I plus J newtons.
So the magnitude is 5 Newton.
That's correct. Edu Gyamfi, F1 equals 12I plus 4J newtons, and F2 equals negative 4I plus 11J newtons. Yes, go ahead.
17 newtons.
Yes, that's correct. Odorgonno, F1 equals negative 12I minus 4J newtons, and F2 equals 2I minus 20J newtons.
$26 newtons.
Yes, that's correct. A preamble. Evaluate the definite integral. Evaluate the definite integral. Kpando Shs. So the integral from -1 to 3 of the expression 6x squared minus 2x plus 3 dx. Yes.
60.
That's correct. Edu Gyamfi, the integral from -2 to 2 of the expression 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 dx.
0.
That's not correct. Ebono to Kpando.
-4.
That's correct. Odorgonno. The integral from 1 to 4 of the expression 3x squared minus 6x plus 2 dx. Yes, Philip.
24.
Yes, that's correct. A preamble. Give the formula of the precipitate formed, if any, from mixing the given pair of compounds. So give the formula of the precipitate formed, if any, from the mixing of the given pair of compounds. Kpando, your compounds are strontium hydroxide and aluminium nitrate. Yes.
So we have Al, bracket open, OH, bracket closed, that bracket subscript 3.
Yes, that's correct. Gyamfi. Sodium carbonate and lead 2 nitrate. Yes.
PbCO3.
Yes, that's correct. Odorgonno. Ammonium phosphate and barium nitrate.
We have it to be barium phosphate, or in Ba3 bracket open, PO4 bracket close, subscript 2.
That's correct. A preamble. Mention the mineral element needed for the following. Mention the mineral element needed for the following. Kpando, synthesis of oxygen. Yes.
Nitrogen.
No, a bonus. Gyamfi. A component of nitrogenase and nitrate reductase enzyme.
Phosphorus.
No, a bonus. Okay, Odorgonno. Cell elongation and cell differentiation. Yes.
Copper.
No. A bonus. Okay. So for the synthesis of oxygen, you need zinc. A component of nitrogenase and nitrate reductase enzyme is molybdenum. And then for cell elongation and cell differentiation, you need boron. Boron. Our last set of questions for this round. A preamble. An LC circuit has resonance frequency F. Kpando SHS. Find L if F equals 25 kilohertz and C equals 4 microfarad. Yes, go ahead, Fidelis.
So we have 1.0 millifarad.
No. A bonus. Okay, do Gyamfi. Find C if F equals 15 kilohertz and L equals 2.0 millihenry.
Unity. 5.4 by 10 exponent 5 farad.
No. A bonus. Okay, Odorgonno. Find L if F equals 10 kilohertz and C equals 2.0 microfarad. If you have an answer, I can go ahead.
So we have 2.5 by 10 exponent -3 Henry.
No. So, Kpando, your answer was 10 microhenry. Edu Gyamfi, 56 nanofarad. And then Odorgonno, 130 microhenry. And on that note, we end round 1. At the end of the first round, here are the scores. Edu Gyamfi Senior High School, 10 points. Kpando Senior High School, 12 points. Odorgonno Senior High School, 16 points. That the bonus from Odorgonno, when they were giving the answers, instead of common ratio, they said common difference. But it's fine. I won't accept the protest. I'll let them all go. Round 2. Round 2 is the speed race. In this round, if I started reading a question, I would have asked you for an answer. Relax. Okay. So in this round, each question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. At any time, if you have an answer, ring your bell. I would allow you to give the answer. If you are the first school that rings your bell and give a correct answer, 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, the second correct answer will earn 2 points. And if that second answer is also incorrect, the third school that have rang their bell can answer but for 1 point. At any time, there's a penalty point of 1 if you give an incorrect answer. When you ring your bell, you have 3 seconds to start giving your answer promptly. So if after 3 seconds you haven't started or you are waffling or delaying, a bell will go and that bell will tell me to move on to the next school that has rang their bell, okay? In this round, which is also called the Pepsodent Speed Race, it is proudly sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. Our first question for the Pepsodent Speed Race. Mention the blood vessel in mammals that normally carries maximum amount of urea. Odorgonno.
The renal vein.
No. Kpando. Yes.
The renal artery.
No. It's the hepatic vein. In which RNA does an anticodon occur? Yes, I do, Gyamfi.
Messenger RNA.
No. Odorgonno.
tRNA.
That is correct. What name is given to the proteinaceous part of the maize endosperm? What name is given to the proteinaceous part of the maize endosperm? Okay, so it's the aileron layer. Solve for x. If 5 to the power, and this is the power, 2x minus 2 equals 625. Odorgonno.
S is equal to 3.
Yes, that's correct. Find the derivative of the function y. Y equals an expression with numerator 3x minus 5 and denominator 5x plus 3. Yes, Odorgonno.
We have dy dx to be equal to...
Release the bell. Release the bell.
Dy dx
Hold on. Okay, you rang the bell. You are answering. Your hand is still on the bell. Give your answer.
Dy dx to be equal to a fraction with numerator 16 and denominator 5x plus 3, and that denominator all square.
No. Okay, Kpando Senior High School.
We have dy on dx to be equal to fraction with denominator, expression in...
Okay, go ahead.
Expression in bracket 5x plus 3, bracket to the power 2, and numerator 34.
Okay, that's correct. So, Kpando Senior High School is the school that gives a fraction and starts with the denominator. Hey, so I even thought it was a mistake. That's why I said, hold on. Your fractions, you give denominator before numerator. You. Our next question. The parallel sides of a trapezium have lengths 13 centimeters and 17 centimeters, and its area is 300 cm cm squared.
5 centimeters.
No. Have you rang your bell? Okay.
20 centimeters.
Yes, it's 20 centimeters. So the question was the distance between the parallel sides. I don't know how you guessed that was the question, but. Find the kinetic energy of a 2-kilogram object when the magnitude of its linear momentum is 6. Yes, Edu Gyamfi.
So we have.
Hold on. Who rang the bell? Edu Gyamfi. Yes, Edu Gyamfi.
0.75 joules.
No.
0.0 joules.
No.
9 joules.
Yes, it's 9 joules. So if you want to answer the question, you have to ring the bell. And all eyes on me. Look at me. Determine the moment of inertia of a solid sphere of mass 0.10 kilogram and radius 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 2 meters about an axis passing through its center. Yes, Kpando Senior High School.
We have 1.0 by 10 to the power negative 4 kilogram meter squared.
No. (1.0 by 10 to the power negative 5 kilogram meter squared. Find the period of a 1.6 meter long simple pendulum on the surface of a celestial body on which surface gravity is 2.5 meters per second squared. Yes, Odorgonno.
1.6 pi seconds.
Come again.
1.6 pi seconds.
Yes, I'll take that. What mass of solid is obtained when 120.0 cm cube of 0.200 mole per dm cube sodium carbonate is evaporated to dryness?
So we have
Odorgonno.
2.55 times 10 exponent negative 1 grams.
No. Who rang the bell next? Edu Gyamfi.
2.4 grams.
No. Yes. Did you ring your bell? If you want to ring your bell. You rang. Ring again. Ring again. Didn't register. Okay. Yes. Yes, Kpando.
We have 2.40 by 10 to the power negative 2 grams.
No. So I have 3.18 grams. An element M has two isotopes, M1 and M2, with respective masses 122.0 and 138.0, and the percentage abundances of 70.00% and 30.00% respectively. Estimate the relative atomic mass of elements. Yes, Kpando.
We have 125.8.
No. Odorgonno.
126.8.
Yes, that's correct. Pentane effuses through a pinhole at half the rate of an unknown gas. Determine the molar mass of the gas. Odorgonno.
288 grams per mole.
No. Kpando.
18 grams per mole.
Yes, that's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, here are the scores. Gyamfi Senior High School, 6 points. Kpando Senior High School, 15 points. Odorgonno Senior High School, 21 points. This takes us to the speed race, which is round 3. And in round 3, we have what we call the problem of the day, which is a common problem presented to all 3 schools at the same time. You are given 4 minutes to solve the problem on the screen. After 4 minutes, a bell will go indicating that you should take your seat. I'll walk over to the screens to evaluate your solutions. And then when I get back to my seat, I will explain the solution as has been presented by the consultant. And also, I'll let on the marks that have been awarded. At stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. And this star is awarded to any school that earns a perfect score of 10. If you are able to get 10 points out of this problem of the day, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana will give your team 2,000 Ghana cedis. This star is proudly sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, for every life, for every future. Now you can take your sheet so we go through the problem of the day together. We read it together. Given A equals 5 minus root 13 and B equals 5 plus root 13, evaluate an expression with numerator A squared plus B squared and denominator 2AB. Put your pens down, don't write. I just said we should read. There are penalties for this. B, m and n are positive integers. If m plus mn plus n plus 1 equals 91, find the expression m plus n. Now you can start work. Kindly stop work. Okay. So the schools have presented their solutions on the screen. And before I let on the marks, I would go through the solution as has been given by the maths consultant. So in this problem, they were told that A is 5 minus root 13 and B is 5 plus root 13. They were to evaluate A squared plus B squared on 2AB. And also that if M and N are positive integers, and M plus Mn plus N plus 1 equals 91. They were to find M plus N. Okay. So here, to solve this easily, you should recognize that A squared plus B squared on 2AB equals the expression A plus B squared minus 2AB all on 2AB. So that I can simplify it for you. If you put in these values and you solve, you should come to 76 on 24 or 19 on 6. Okay. And if you're able to come to this point, I'll give you 4 marks. The second question, M plus Mn plus N plus 1 equals 91. In the same way, you should also recognize easily that M plus Mn plus N plus 1 is a contracted form of the expression M plus 1 multiplying the expression N plus 1. And therefore, M plus 1 multiplying N plus 1 equals 91. 91 is 13 multiply 7, right? Yeah. So M plus 1 equals 13. If M plus 1 equals 13, M will be 12. If N plus 1 equals 7, N is 6. And therefore, M plus N equals 12 plus 6, which is 18. That would have given, if you had worked through these steps, that would have given another 6 marks to come to 10. Okay. So to the solutions from the schools. Kpando Senior High School. So for A, they started, just put the values in. I'm sure they were going to work from scratch. Yeah, I mean, it's possible, but it was going to take you forever to do that. I'm not sure you would have been able to do that in the 4 minutes. Anyway, just for the attempt to put in those values, they attempted to start, so I'll give them 1 mark for that. So they had 1 out of 10. And they didn't solve the B at all. So, yeah, I mean, they just put the equation down, didn't make any inference from it. So, Odorgonno Senior High School. For the first one, they recognized that they had to, that A squared plus B squared on 2AB will be equal to the expression A plus B squared minus 2AB over 2AB. So they put in the values they could solve, but I'm not sure what went wrong. Some multiplication or some addition probably went wrong somewhere, so they couldn't come to the right answer. But for recognizing that, putting in the values, I'll give them 3 because they didn't come to the final correct answer. So they'll have 3 points for that. For B, yeah, also, they put up the equation equals 91. And they said M plus Mn plus N equals 90. I'm also not sure what derivation they could have made from that. So they would also have 3 out of 10. Gyamfi Senior High School, however, they were able to solve A, and they came to the right answer of 76 on 24, even though they didn't simplify that to 19 on 6. They had that bit because they were able to recognize that they needed to simplify in that way, and so they would also have 4 out of 10. Okay, round 4. Round 4 is the true or false round. Okay. Gyamfi. Is the true or false round. And here, for every statement or each statement that is made to your school, I want the team to tell me if the statement is true or false. If you answer correctly, you'd have 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, a penalty point of 1. If you decline to answer or you are bailed out, another school can ring for your question. If they answer correctly, they would have 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, then a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll begin with Edu Gyamfi Senior High School. Edu Gyamfi, an object that moves with constant speed, moves equal distances in equal time intervals.
True.
Repeat that.
True.
Yes, it's true. Odorgonno, an object that moves with constant speed and undergoes equal displacements in equal time intervals.
False statement.
Yes, it's false. Kpando, an object that moves with constant velocity and undergoes equal displacements in equal time intervals.
True.
Yes, that is true. A preamble. If log to the base x of y equals a, then Kpando, y equals a to the power x. Oh, sorry, Edu Gyamfi, sorry. Edu Gyamfi, that was your question. Okay, if I'll take that again. If, that's the preamble. If log to the base x of y equals a, then Edu Gyamfi, y equals a to the power x.
False.
Yes, it's false. Odorgonno. Log to the base 1 over x, the base is 1 over x, of y equals negative a. Yes.
It's a false statement.
No, it's true. Kpando, log to the base x squared, the power is, the base, sorry, is x squared, of y equals a over 2.
False.
No, it's true. A preamble. The following happens when there is a fall in the glomerular filtration rate. Edu Gyamfi, adrenal medulla is activated to release adrenaline.
False.
Yes, it's false. Odorgonno, juxtaglomerular cells. Juxtaglomerular cells are activated to release renin.
It's a false statement.
No, it's true. Kpando, adrenal cortex is activated to release aldosterone.
True.
No, it's false. Edu Gyamfi, temperature increases the rate of both endothermic and exothermic reactions.
False.
No, it's true. Odorgonno. For a reaction at equilibrium, increasing the concentration of reactants usually increases the rate of the reaction.
It's false.
No. Kpando. Reactions with higher activation energies usually have slower reaction rates.
True.
Yes, it's true. A machine of 80% efficiency. This is a preamble. A machine of 80% efficiency does 10 kilojoules of useful work. A machine of 80% efficiency does 10 kilojoules of useful work. Gyamfi, the machine expends 2 kilojoules of energy to do the specified amount of useful work.
True.
It's false. Odorgonno, the machine absorbs 12 kilojoules of energy to do the specified amount of useful work.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Kpando, the machine absorbs 10 kilojoules of energy to do the specified amount of useful work.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. In the given quadrilateral, the diagonals are congruent. Gyamfi, rhombus.
True.
No, it's false. Odorgonno, isosceles trapezium.
It's a false statement.
No, it's true. Kpando, parallelogram.
True.
No, it's false. Gyamfi, gross primary productivity is the rate of production of carbon dioxide during photosynthesis.
False.
Yes, it's false. Odorgonno, gross primary productivity is the rate of production of oxygen during photosynthesis.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Kpando, gross primary productivity is the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis.
True.
Yes, it's true. Our last set of questions for this round. Gyamfi, all strong acids act as strong electrolytes.
True.
Yes, it's true. Odorgonno, at high concentrations, a weak acid may behave as a strong electrolyte.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Kpando Senior High School. Salts formed from weak acids and bases act as strong electrolytes.
True.
Yes, that's true. That brings us to the end of round 4. End of the fourth round, here are the scores. Gyamfi Senior High School, 17 points. Kpando Senior High School, 23 points. Odorgonno Senior High School, 28 points. Round 5. In round 5, we have 4 riddles. And you have to provide solutions to these riddles using the clues I read out to you. At any time whilst I'm reading, if you have an answer, just ring your bell. I'll call you and allow you to give the answer. If you give me a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Correct answer on the second clue, 4 points. Any answer after that is worth 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You stay out of that particular riddle and come back for the next. In this round, we have what we call the Girl Riddle Bonanza. And what happens here is if you're able to solve 3 or 4 riddles correctly, you are awarded some money by girl. If you're able to solve 3 riddles correctly, you earn 800 Ghana cedis. If you're able to solve all 4 riddles, so a 100% record, you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis from girl. This is sponsored by Girl, Good Energy. So on to our riddles. Our first riddle. I am a term that is used in various aspects of biology. There are different types of me, divided into various subsets. In immunology, I am an organism that spreads infectious disorders. Yes, Odorgonno.
Vector.
That's correct. Third clue, 3 points. I am a physical quantity. I am a scalar quantity. Gyamfi.
Mass.
No. I am called specific when I am specified for unit mass. Yes, Kpando.
Heat capacity.
No. For the benefit of Odorgonno. Have you rang your bell? No, okay. I'm called specific when I'm specified for unit mass, in which case the reciprocal of density is called for. I am dimensionally length cubed. I am the measure of space occupied by a sample of matter. Who am I? Odorgonno SHS.
Volume.
That is correct. Our next riddle. I am an element that may leave a mark where I go.
Antimony.
No. You may have me on your fingers. Combined with iron, I impact considerable strength. Combined with oxygen, I may be deadly or essential. Plants embrace my oxide with open leaf. Yes, Gyamfi.
Carbon.
Yes, it's carbon. Our last riddle. I am a function in the form y equals f of theta. Yes, Gyamfi.
Trigonometric function.
No. I'll continue. I am a circular function or a trigonometric function. I am...
Periodic function.
No. Kpando Senior High School. I am a continuous function for all real values of theta. I am a periodic function of period t equals 2 pi. My amplitude is 5. I am 0 when theta equals 0. Who am I? Kpando Senior High School.
So we have the function to be 5 sine theta.
Yes, that's correct. That brings us to the end of round 5. At the end of round 5, Gyamfi Senior High School, 20 points. Kpando Senior High School, 26 points. Odorgonno Senior High School, 34 points. With that score, Odorgonno Senior High School is school number 28 to qualify for the 1/8 stage of the National Championship. Well done to Odorgonno Senior High School, and better luck next time to Gyamfi Senior High School and Kpando Senior High School. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Once again, congrats to Odorgonno Senior High School for winning and qualifying to the 1/8 stage. Make it a point to join us for the next contest. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOAL and supported by Joy News, AT, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent Toothpaste, Better Malt, Ghanaian Academic and Research Network, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Cowbell, Bell Beverages, GTP, Newmont Ghana, Africa World Airlines, and YFM. My name is Thelma Hineje, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Thank you and see you soon.